Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm your device is online and not in airplane mode. Once done, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out local network glitches. Next, restart the browser and clear cache, because stale data often blocks search results. Make sure to try Google in another browser or on a different device. If that works, the problem is local to one app. This fast isolation saves time and points us to the precise next step. Now dig into network and browser internals. Flush the DNS cache or temporarily switch to Google DNS 8. 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 so domain resolution isn't the culprit. Disable extensions and test in private mode to exclude blocking add-ons. Once disabled, re-enable one at a time to find the offender. If several devices show the same failure, reboot the router and reset network settings on one device to refresh IP leases, since persistent DNS or routing problems often live at the router. Finally, focus on accounts and the system. Sign out of Google and sign back in, and inspect account settings, safe search, or parental controls that might block results. Update your operating system and browser, because outdated software can break secure connections. If needed, create a clean browser profile or reinstall the browser. If searches still fail, consider a system restore or factory reset as a last resort, and contact your ISP or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.